September the 10th, 2014. Potigo Horse Farm Petting Zoo. What's this goat, man? Yeah, home of the Full Moon Ranch here. Feeding time. Watch him. He is a mean one, boy. What are you doing? Watch these guys. My favorite one over there. And right over there. Hey, I just passed by the fence over there. This guy right here, he is a glutton, man. He wants to make sure he gets it all, man. You get your butt right up against me. Oh, almost he touched you there. Get it. I love this one right here, the little tiny baby one here. Oh, here goes my favorite. I don't know what this one's called, but it's a nice one. Look at him. And he knows how to push them horns around. Wow, went after the baby even. That's crazy. That's child abuse, man. Kid abuse. What? Should come over here. He's gonna headbutt this one. No? Wow. This is crazy. It's the animal kingdom. I love this big old sheep. Oh man, they moved out of the way before I could get it. Oh, my water's overflowing. I'm filling up the water. Alright, gotta go. Love you guys. Peace.